Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to track cryptocurrency price change over time on CoinGecko. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the CoinGecko application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to CoinGecko if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom where we have markets, we have portfolio also, the search bar, we have the explore, and in the bottom right corner, we have everything about your profile where you can click on more. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and track cryptocurrency price changes over time on CoinGecko. So tracking cryptocurrency price changes over time on CoinGecko is quite straightforward, and here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Of course, search for cryptocurrencies, so use the search bar at the top, find the cryptocurrencies you want to track. CoinGecko can track over 14k coins. So find your here, or you can go and click and find it here, and you can of course go and click on the coin here. Then view price charts. Once you selected the cryptocurrency, you'll see the detail page. This page includes various charts showing price changes over different time frames. Scroll down to the historical date section to view daily prices, set price alerts, and then just create a portfolio about the coin by clicking on the top right corner on the star. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.